Hari Om children, let us start the session. We chant Om 3 times. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Om. Again take a deep breath. Om. Again take a deep breath. Om. Start beginning prayer.
सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम
Hari Om children, be safe, be happy and be healthy. Now we are going to learn the lesson Achieving Equality Part 2. Let us see the lesson children. Caste discrimination. Caste system is the most dominant reason for inequality and discrimination in India. In the beginning, the society was divided into different groups on the basis of occupation known as Varnas. Many people in India have fought against caste opposition. The most prominent among them was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He belonged to a such depressed family and suffered discrimination throughout his childhood. He fought actively for equality among the citizens of India. Gender discrimination. Gender discrimination refers to health, education, economic and political inequalities between men and women in India. For example, a girl is not allowed to go to college after finishing her schooling. Similarly, most of the girls are not allowed to select a career of their choice, rather, they are forced into marriage. In some families, girls are not allowed to wear modern dresses, while boys in such families often wear modern dresses. Religious discrimination. Religious discrimination is unequal treatment of an individual or group based on their beliefs. Religious discrimination has been around for a long time. There have been problems between people of different religions for thousands of years. Some people are not allowed to enter in public places, especially the places of worship, because they belong to another religion. Some religious people often end up in conflict with each other because of their rituals and way of life. Socio-economic inequality. In the socio-economic field, the benefits of growth have not been spread evenly. However, the income inequality is much higher than the inequality in human development. The low income districts are associated with low industrial development and low agricultural productivity and low human development. Similarly, the districts with literacy rate are found to be with lower sex ratio. And next we are going to see remedial measures for inequality and discrimination. Okay, first one, wider access to quality basic services like healthcare and education for all. And second one, Be aware of current gender bias. And third one, make women more visible in public life and institution to educate gender disparity. And fourth one, be open to learning about other religions. Promoting community dining in the classroom may help the students to sit together without any bias of caste, religion, or gender. And sixth one, socialize with people of all types outside home. And seventh one, effective implementation of laws. Once again, I recall the lesson. First, prejudice. What is mean by prejudice? Prejudice means to judge other people in a negative or inferior manner without knowing much about them. Stereotype is a false view or idea about something. Discrimination can be defined as negative actions towards people. Discrimination can happen on the basis of color, class, religion, and gender. Caste system is the most dominant reason for inequality and discrimination. Gender discrimination refers to health, education, economic, and political inequalities between men and women. Religious discrimination is unequal treatment of an individual or group based on their beliefs.
Chapter Caste Discrimination and the Struggle for Equality. Let us know about the caste-based discrimination situation faced by B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is considered the father of Indian Constitution and is also the best-known leader of the Dalits. He is the chairperson for drafting of the Constitution and the first Union Law Minister of India. In 1901, when he was 9 years old, he faced a caste-based discrimination. He had gone with his brothers and cousins to meet his father in Koregaon. Let us see what he says in his own words. Around 5 o'clock in the evening, our train arrived at Mysore and we got down with our luggage. All the passengers who had got down from the train had gone away to their destinations. We 4 children waited on the platform, looking out for my father or his servant whom he had promised to send. We waited for a long time, but in vain. After an hour, the station master came near us and inquired about the tickets. We showed them, then he asked us why we are waiting here. We answered him that we are waiting for father to come. But we are unable to see him here and we don't even know how to reach Koregaon. From our way of talking and dressing, the station master thought that we were Brahmin children and showed concern on us. In the usual talk, he asked us who we were. Then we said that we were Mahars or lower caste. By listening to our answer, he was shocked and changed his face with a feeling of repulsion and went to his room. As soon as he heard my reply, he went away to his room and we stood where we were. Time is passing and the sun was almost setting, and even the station master had also left us. Our father had not turned up, nor even his servant. Then the station master came near us and asked us what we wanted to do. We answered him by saying so if we could get a bullock cart on hire, we would go to the Koregaon. Outside the station, there were many bullock carts for hire, but none of them came forward to carry us, since the only reason was that we were Mahars. Only behalf of us, the station master went around among the cartmen, but none of these showed interest and they were not prepared to suffer being impure and to humiliate himself carrying passengers of the lower classes. We were ready to pay double the charge to the cartmen. This trick also didn't work on them. All the cartmen behaved in an unfair manner. This is the first caste discrimination faced by B.R. Ambedkar. Noticeably, this situation tells us that caste-based discrimination is not only limited to avoid the rights they had and denies respect and dignity to them.
पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्ण प्रकाशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।